Aren't these moss roses pretty? Look at all that. It'd be nice to have this whole flower bed full of them. I'm going to plant more of them here next year. This is Monday, August 14th, and it looks like the resurrection lilies are about finished. This one needs to be deadheaded. Some of these I already have. These here. And isn't this hibiscus looking good? Look at that. I'm thinking next year I'm going to, when it first starts blooming, cut it off right here, even with, so it's not growing over the sidewalk. Everything here in this flower bed is doing really good. This is Lantana right here. There. It's just growing all over the place from some little start. And these loosestrife has done doing better right here than it has for years. And the honeysuckle, look at this honeysuckle blooming. I thought, evidently this blooms all year long. Just look at that. And the catmint over here. He's got the honeysuckle growing up in it. The honeysuckle's growing all over the ground in through here. And the Kansas Gayflower here is doing really well. Can't say the name right now. Sometimes I have old people itis trying to remember the names of things. I wish this trumpet vine would bloom this year. It's been here a couple years now and it's never bloomed. But I've got it tied up going all across this swing here. Not much else over here is blooming. This Marguerite daisy here is doing really good. We've had a lot of rain lately. I'm thinking that I'm going to get all the tall flowers out of here. Maybe just put some short annuals in here so they have things blooming all year long. Looks like the moonflowers here are going to bloom. I think usually these ones that come out of the corner of the thing are where the blooms come from. We'll see. And that's just about done. All these were blooms right here. Here's these phlox. Here's a resurrection lily. Salvia. Here's another salvia right here. Yeah, I love these tiger lilies, but I don't think they belong out front, so they're definitely going to get moved out back. And these are hollyhocks. I think this whole flower bed here is going to go back about 3 feet. so that it starts right about here or ends right about here. It looks like this hibiscus has got some blooms coming on right there. I remember it's bloomed before. They're dark red. Here's another hibiscus. This is the first year this one here has bloomed. But it has lots of new blooms right there. Begonias here. Maybe this fall I'll dig those up and try and keep them as potted plants this winter. Look at that flower on there. It really needs a lot more sun. This is coral bells. Hukara. Bird poop all over it. This one here is coral bells also. I have to look this one up because I forgot it again. Here's another coral bells that's getting ready to bloom. That's a trash truck out front. This is Monday, trash pickup day. This is a nice big coral bells here. Look at all the blooms that are coming on right there. I'll show it to you when it blooms. Here's a great big huge hosta back here blooming right there. This is my Lenten rose. I think I'm going to dig that and move it out front. It's blooming right now. It's been out here, but I think it's getting dwarfed by the hosta, so one of them is going to have to be moved. And I cut down all of these bushes through here, all the way back here. I cut them down, and I'm going to start covering them over with mulch, and then hopefully by next year I can put a flower bed in here, and I'm going to take out this swing and the chocolate vine and the honeysuckle bush. I have a flower bed from the street all the way back to there. And these raspberry bushes here, I need to cut for the year. I haven't pruned them for the year yet. I think I have to do that before it gets cold or in the spring, or both. These are zinnias. I started from seed. That was seed I gathered last year. You look at my cucumbers, I have no idea what happened to them. They just wilted. I got like 3 or 4 cucumbers in the house and then they just wilted. I don't get it. Unless there's some sort of virus that does that. I don't know. And these cosmos that volunteer, look at those. Those look good. Those are 4 o'clocks that I planted. And these are California poppies that I planted. These are nasturtiums that I planted. Almost couldn't remember. These are forget-me-nots. I just did a video on those if you want to watch that. I think this is a weed coming out of there. Here's more forget-me-nots. This is definitely grass. Don't need to have that. Same as that. And here's more zinnias. Here's some herbs I planted here. This is sage. Some blueberries. Asparagus seems to be going great. Can't believe it. The strawberries are actually doing pretty good, considering they just got started this year. These are chives right here underneath the squash vine. Right there underneath the squash vine, chives. This could be a whole garden just back here in this little area, but I'm thinking about putting some raised beds over that way. On this 4 o'clock that volunteered is starting to bloom. Right there. I planted this a couple years ago. It's just been volunteering back every year. And this is a lupine that I planted last year. It's a perennial, and it came back. And this is columbine. It's that I planted last year, and it came back. It's a perennial, so. I got all green tomatoes over here now. I just took a couple in the house. And peppers over here. I just took a bunch of those in the house too. Okay. Well, thanks a lot for watching this, and check back to see how I'm coming with all the work I got to do here in the garden, and we'll talk to you when I'm doing that work next time. Thanks a lot, and goodbye. These are zinnias. I started from seed. That was seed I gathered last year. And look at my cucumbers. I have no idea what happened to them. They just wilted. I got like 3 or 4 cucumbers in the house and then they just wilted. I don't get it. Unless there's some sort of virus that does that. I don't know. And these cosmos that volunteer, look at those. Those are looking really good. Those are 4 o'clocks that I planted. And these are California poppies that I planted. These are nasturtiums that I planted. Almost don't remember. These are forget-me-nots. I just did a video on those.